that unity and must rise to the promises that we have made to the people of this great nation. Nothing can come second to that. Finally, and in conclusion, honorable speakers and members, let me once again emphasize that we must work together to serve our people. We must understand that the future prosperity, peace, and security of our beloved nation is firmly but safely in our hands. May God bless you, the 12th Parliament, as you start your work. You can count on my 110% support. And I thank you and wish you God's blessings, and may God bless this great nation of Kenya. Thank you.